Okay guys, so the time has come. I'm about to cut my hair. So I've been having some postpartum hair loss. Yeah. And more come out because these ones here are really thin. I don't know if I can see it, but yeah. So I'm going to cut it because it's too long, so it's putting a strain on them. So I wanted to bring somebody with me. Oh my gosh. Jerome is at work, so I have to do this one solo. Solo dolo like the man from the polo, don't it? Alright, now put it in here so. For now. Oh my gosh, guys, I have to lose my hair. No, I'm not gonna put it off. I'm just gonna put it to the length of like these ones in the front. So here we go. Alright. Oh my god. Should I do a last like length look? Jesus! Anyways, it's like I'll insert a picture. You'll see. So, I don't know more cutting my ear. I'm just gonna do something. This is 13 years of growing my hair, and I'm about to cut it. Oh God, I'm nervous and afraid. Alright, so I started my locks in 2008. No, 2009. Started my locks in 2009, and October 4th or 5th, 2009, I did it for my birthday, which is October 9th. So I did the Monday, and the Friday was my birthday. So this is 13 years about to cut. Jesus! Okay, so I'm going to cut it to the length of this one because this seems to be the longest one. So, oh God, I'm gonna cut it here. Then somebody can so nervous. I would go to somebody to cut it, but why am I gonna pay money for somebody cut me when I have scissors at home? Alright, so this is God, I cannot believe it. I just got a huge chunk out of my hair. Jaja! Oh my God. Guys, I actually did it. What is this? I feel like ball. Oh God. Jason, do it. Alright. Alright, why stop now? Okay guys, so I went back in and tried to even it out a little bit. So yeah, it's now there. So yeah, this is where I'm at. This is where I'm at, and I'm okay. here. Mind the one too gray here then. But them, yeah. All this when I barely hold on. Just like go further and further back. It look like it, man?
No.
It don't look like it, man?
Can it's a cut off right here, people.
Oh, Jesus.
Let's cut everything and done. I want if I'm walking there. I don't.
Pronto, fala. Pronto, fala.
Let me tell you about your audio.
Morning to you. How do you do? Deep time in this song. So see the people? Take off the recite last night. Jerome carry me to a barber shop now. Go like fix it up, make it patchy. How do you feel?
You're hungry too.
Wow. How do you feel about my head?
Honestly, I think I'm okay. I'm saying there's a one say, alright, today again, now I don't have a problem. But once I start getting fussy right now, then it's like I feel. But things are cool with it. I'm fine. But it's actually alright.
They're supposed to keep it for like 1 year.
Talk right.
No, so.
No, you have to go.
Why? 1 year, I don't know. 6 months.
No, you're not supposed to actually retain it. You're supposed to agree.
So supposed to feel so alright with it that I say alright 6 months with it so and then I start growing back.
I probably don't feel like I come to okay, but if I should be honest, I don't feel good back.
Okay. Grow it back as in lock it back or just grow it back?
Lucky back.
Okay. My intention is to lock it back but bigger than it was before. No, I do that already. I want to do something else. But I feel like
Some madman that come out, what am I narrowing?
I feel like man, alright. I was a little bit sad because me as a judge like my whole adult life I've had locks. I was like, me I gonna lock my hair and I did. And now me are umachin, so married and have a child and all of these things. So, it's just like peace and me gone. And I am now a new somebody. So now I reach a barber shop. So when I come back, I'll show me what I'm going. I don't know where your barber side. Okay guys, I reach. So I go fix up my body. Okay guys, so I am home and showered and everything, and something like some video no me not start over. Anyhow, me never remember for sure no, so me did finish and cut it low, and Jerome saying I know say I solo it the doggo. Me never know say I solo it the doggo either. But I don't know about barbershop and then so whatever. Okay. But anyways, this is now me. This is me now. Mr. Sir over there, so look for me. So yes, guys. How am I feeling? I am feeling okay. I feel like I'm not used to it yet. But yeah, I feel like this was a good idea.
From a social perspective,
What do you mean? People are going like, where put your ear? Oh my god. Me think because me expect people also like why you put your ear because they never see what wrong with it. People never see what wrong with it, so they're not gonna understand why.
And what if negative comments are said and nowhere across the
Like what? So my head big?
Yeah, the girl get you at this and whatever. Something negative or like that.
I don't know if you not hear what I say, but he must say if people come with negative comments about it, how me go treat it. And that's what you asked me? Yeah, so I think I'm not sure yet. I'm not getting none yet. But I think as long as me or you not agree, say, you know, look nice or something, you know, like whatever I say.
When she came around, when she go hands up and don't stop. And then laugh. And then deal with that.
I'm not business with that.
Same thing.
You know,
And somebody walk up to you and say, I don't like it.
that's how you're busy.
That's why you treat it.
Yeah.
But just in case something happens and
And it depends on who too. Because if you are not qualified, then who are you?
who's qualified? Just
Whoa. Anyways, yeah. So this is the new look. You know what I'm saying? I want it to grow up a little bit more like how it did look before me trim. That's what I did say. Yeah, I want it to go back up to more like before me got the barber. So we'll see how that goes. Might I get two line around and someone zigzag and what me? Why? No, but why me can't get zigzag? Then I can't make it grow. Yuck! One lizard in there is something.
Are you telling something about?
You know, see lizard in there fan. Whatever. Anyhow, guys. Yeah, so we have this way. Look different. Or me just look little different. Which one?
Look different.
Okay.
Come here from.
I can't swing back me here if I want.
That's not yours. It's natural.
No, mine's. I can sew back in mine. Jeremy, I'm gonna make one wig with my locks. Okay, say bye.